Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're having a good day. So with the new channel, I wasn't going to record this video, but I thought the last part of it might help someone, or it could be an epic fail. This is going to be a challenge slash wing it video. I don't know. Basically, if any of you watch my videos, you'll know that my hair has been pink in the past, and I do have a video on my channel on how to get your hair from bright pink to blonde, which I did the same steps. I used two hair removers. The first time it went bright blue, the second time it went like a aquamarine blue, so it didn't take a lot more of the colour out. The third time I put a blonde dye on it and we got to this colour. It's so ashy, it almost looks grey. At first I didn't mind it, but now it's really starting to really bother me. I just think it looks a really dirty platinum. The blonde dye that I'm going to be using, because my mum likes to buy loads of stuff and I don't know why. She's got about 17 hair dyes. She don't use them. So I raided her stash. And this one is Garnier. It's NUTRISSE Radiant Blondes. And it is 10.13 Very Light Ash Beige Blonde Natural Ivory Tones. So that's the one. If my camera focuses, I don't know whether it's going to, so I'm just going to hold it here. So I'm going to be putting bleach on it because one, it's a bit too golden on the top and it's still got that dull grey colour to it, and I just think it looks like a really still a dirty platinum, and that's not what I want. So the bleach I'm going to be using, you can buy this from any kind of beauty store. I've seen it in sorry, I've lost my words. I've seen it in Boots and Superdrug, but I actually got mine from Morrison's. So this is the JEROME RUSSEL Bblonde, and this is for blonde or to dark blonde hair. So it's got quite a large spectrum that it'll work on. And this brush is what I'm going to be using to put the hair dye on. I actually got this in a dip dye set and I've saved it. And it's really good because obviously you just put the dye on the brush and you can have a really nice smooth transition. So I have put the powder in this tub already, so it comes out as like a light blue. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix all this up and put this on my hair and see how it turns out. So obviously I have washed and dried my hair. It is the next day, as you can see from the outside. The reason for that is it was just getting so late to kind of record the video and get my hair dry and everything else and get it all washed out. Bear in mind, you need to make sure the bleach is washed out of your hair pretty thoroughly. I didn't know what words to use there, but yeah, thoroughly wash your hair. So that is the reason it is the next day. You can see it is very bright. It's a bright blonde. It is a little, not orange, but just slight tints of yellow, I feel, in certain areas. So I am going to be using a toner. The toner I'm going to be using is the JEROME RUSSEL Bblonde Maxiumum Blonde Toner, and this is the same brand that I use for the bleach, so this works quite well. But obviously this video was all part of getting your hair from that dull blonde to this bright blonde, which I have achieved. This was a test, a trial. I didn't really know how it's going to turn out, but I am going to do this on a separate video just for the reason this video is going to be ridiculously long. So I just think I'm just going to separate it up into two, like step 1 and step 2. So, you know, you'll be able to see them one after another instead of me uploading one week and the other week. One thing to consider when dyeing your hair is to know your hair. I've been dyeing my hair since I was 14. So, and I've probably been dyeing it at home since I was about 17. So I know the strength of my hair, and if you felt my hair, which is a little odd, if you felt my hair, it is really nice and soft. So I know generally how much my hair can take. Don't take my word for it. This is just, as I said, a trial and test. So it might help someone get from that colour to you know, a bright blonde. Whether your hair has gone dull and it's gone really ashy, this might be really good for you. But if your hair was a coloured hair, has been coloured a colour, like mine was pink, and then obviously it went to blue, and then it went to a dull blonde, and then it went to a bright blonde. So if you're looking for a video from a dull blonde to a bright blonde, then this will work. Also, if your hair is a colour, then please look at my video, which I will link, as I've said before, and that goes from a pink to a blonde, which is what I didn't film previously, but it is the same steps that I had taken. Other than that, I'll just crack on with the next part of this video. If you enjoyed this video from going from a dull blonde to a bright blonde, then please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!